Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. It is part 8 of journaling for beginners. You have gone through many types of journaling and today is a new kind of a journaling, that is affirmative journaling. Many of you are writing affirmations for yourself, for your child, for your partner, for your life, for your goal, for your dreams. Today we'll going deep down. We'll find out what is affirmative journaling, why it is important, how we can do that, then the prompts, and then how we can make it in an effective manner. What do you think about affirmations? If I can ask you, it's like I am powerful. It's an affirmation. So, what is affirmation? Journaling, writing positive statements to shift mindset and belief. Yes, if you are thinking, if you want to change your energy into a high mode, high energy, or you want to shift your perspective, want to shift your mindset, then this kind of a journaling, affirmative journaling, is very, very important and very easy to do that. It will help you to change into a new perspective. The second one is practice of reinforcements, self-confidence and self-worth. Reinforcements matlab, if we are having a certain kind of a mindset, a certain kind of a personality, and we want to shift it, then it will help. This kind of a journaling, affirmative journaling, will help to gain the confidence, to gain the self-worth, to change the personality for a better version. Then the third part is help replace negative thoughts with empowering belief. I am not able to do that. Change that into I am able to do, I can do this. This kind of a change you can do through affirmative journaling. Second part, why it is important. So the first thing comes under rewire the brain for positivity and success. We are thinking too much about negative. Sometimes we say negative to ourselves, say negative to others, think negative about our body. And if we want to change that, we have to say positive about ourselves, and then it will help to rewire our brain. Now the brain thinks in that particular manner. The second one, boost self-esteem and confidence. If you want to increase your self-worth, if you want to increase your self-confidence, high self-esteem, then this kind of a journaling is very important. Third, help overcome self-doubt and limiting belief. I'm not able to do that. I don't have that much power. I don't have that much capability. Nobody is going to encourage me. If nobody is going, why are you waiting for someone? Why are you not encouraging yourself? All those things can be happen if you are writing positive about yourself every day in sort of affirmation and you are reading it loud. The more you write good to yourself, maybe you'll feel very discomfort in the initial days, but after that you will feel very comfortable because now your brain accept all those affirmations. It is also help you to overcome the challenges, strengths, motivation and resilience. It will help you to motivate. I can do this. I can do this. I can figure it out. I am doing this. So it is a kind of a continuous process. I am doing this. I am learning a skill. Every day I am taking a small step toward learning a new skill. So it will help me to motivate me. I can overcome the challenge. It will help me to gain the resilience in me, to gain the power in me. Fifth part, encourage a growth mindset. If you are doing affirmative journaling, affirmation journaling, it will help you to think beyond what you already have. You are open to new learnings. You are open to new things. You are able to attract new things because you want to grow. You're not stuck to a particular kind of a personality, particular kind of a routine. You want to evolve and then you are open to each and everything. So this is why we are doing affirmative journaling or affirmation journaling. How we can do that? The first thing is identify the area for growth. It can be whatever feels to you, good to you, like a confidence, health, success, relationship, whatever is important to you, you can find that and start writing affirmations related to that area. The second thing, write in a present sentence. Always write in a present sentence that I am doing this, I am this, I am working on a skill, I am strong, I am confident, I am capable, anything, but make sure it is in a present sentence. Use positive, empowering language. Avoid negative words. Never ever use negative words in your affirmation, because the more you think positive, the more positivity comes to you. You attract that. Fourth, repeat daily. Consistent makes affirmation powerful. Every day, whatever you write, you can write it daily or you can read it daily. The more you write a particular affirmation, it will help you to stuck in your brain, and the way you feel it, when you are including emotions to it, it will help you to attract all those things. The fifth part is visualize while writing. Feel the emotions and behind the truth. As I said earlier, once you start adding emotions in your affirmation, how do you feel? How do you want to feel at the end when you have that kind of a thing which you want to attract? For that, you are writing affirmation. When you are writing in that way and when you are including emotions, you are feeling, it will help you to gain that. Here we comes the three part. What is affirmation journaling, why we do, how we can do that. If you find this video informative and useful, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon, so that every time I upload a video, you know that this is the video and you can learn. So if you didn't watch the previous 7 videos, you can go to the playlist and you can find the previous 7 videos. Now comes the fourth part, that is the prompts. How we can use powerful affirmation journal prompts. What qualities do I love about myself? This is also a prompt. You can use that and find out all the qualities that you love about yourself. What positive belief do I want to strengthen? Think, reflect, and write. What kind of a belief system you want, and then write, I have this kind of a belief system, whatever it is. I believe in this. I have this belief system. Whatever it is, make a sentence in the present tense and add the emotions as well. How do I want to feel about myself daily? How do you want to feel about yourself daily? A positive one, calm, powerful, energetic, whatever it is, you can write and you can read on a daily basis. What is an affirmation that motivates me? Anything that motivates you, you can use that in your affirmation and read the affirmations. I get motivated when I do meditation. I get motivated when I see that person. I get motivated. Whatever comes in your mind, you can write and read on a daily basis. What do I need to hear today to feel empowered? When you are writing in through this prompt, you read that and instantly you will feel empowered. The moment you write, the moment you read, because when you read, you also listen and you will feel empowered. You can also record yourself and then you can listen. So then you find out that okay, someone is talking to you and they are saying something powerful to you. So here are the 5 prompts. Now we'll come at the end. Tips. Say affirmation aloud while writing them. As I told, once you write that or while writing that, say the affirmation loud so that you can hear that, so can your body can feel that, and your mind will also feel that okay, this is something new and this is I am working on it. The second one is use I statement for personal empowerment. I am dash. I am powerful. I am strong. I am healthy. I am capable. I am learning. Whatever it is, I am, because this is for you. 3. Write affirmations as if they are already true. In the present sentence, I have this. Even if you write after 5 years, you'll have to achieve that. Or after 1 year, that is your goal and you are going to achieve that, but you have to write for 1 year before. I am dash, whatever. If you are thinking that you are an entrepreneur after 5 years, I am an entrepreneur of this kind of a business. I am delivering this services, this kind of a thing, whatever it is. So I am this. Number 4, keep an affirmation journal to track mindset shift. जब भी आप लिखते, whenever you are writing, track that journal entries to find out that is your mindset shift or not, or still you are going in a particular track. That is why tracking your journal is important. And the last part is revisit and refine affirmation based on a progress. If you are writing something in the starting of the year and if you don't change at the end, it will not create a big impact. But if you are changing affirmation, as long as you are going progress, as you are evolving and you are changing your journals according to that, then your body, your mind feels parallel to that, because now you are and your affirmations are on the same page. So that is why you have to change, you have to evolve your affirmations as well. So here we comes in the end. I hope you find this video useful. We covered why affirmation journaling is important, how we can do that, what is it is, the prompts and the tips. If you need more information related to that, you can connect with me. You can type the comments in the comment section that you, if you have any sort of problem, if you want to share something, and if you want to join me, there are two ways you can join my free WhatsApp group, and you can join my paid membership, that is prompt membership, where I am nurturing my paid members. So you can use any way. Till then, take care. Bye bye.